Hey, what's up guys? It's Kelton with Under Pressure. Just want to make a quick video for y'all. So this is just how I teach my guys to stay dry when they're doing porches and patios. So this is Benjamin. He's been with me about 2 weeks. As you can see, when he went in, the first thing he did was he sprayed his exit. So always be mindful of your exit. From that point, he went on to the left side, sprayed all the way to about the middle, and then he went to the right side, sprayed about to the middle. Now the middle section is completely dry and stopped dripping, so he's able to just easily back out. He treats the post on the outside, and you notice he never hit that back wall. Well, because there's so much room out here for him to get it, now he can stand outside of that area and treat that back wall without having any of that drip back down on him. So just a quick, simple way for you to get in, get out, not have to worry about getting a lot of bleach just dripping down on you. Just always be mindful of your exits, spray your exits first, and now that he's done with that, he can come out and he can treat the outside, and then whenever he gets ready to rinse, just repeat the same steps. So anyways, just thought I would share that with you guys. I know technique is something I don't really talk about a lot, but I've seen so many guys that literally just stand underneath that area walking forward and just getting soaked. So hopefully this helps.